Are you planning your next magical trip to Disneyland? Well, let me show you why staying at the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California isn't just convenient. It's an unforgettable part of the Disney experience. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me as we make our way to the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California. In this video, we'll explore the hotel and tell you why you might like this hotel just as much as we do. From the moment you see that Disneyland Hotel sign, there's a feeling you get that's hard to replicate anywhere else. It's like you've stepped into another world where everything is just a little more fun, a little more exciting, friendly, and filled with possibilities. As you drive up to the hotel, you're instantly greeted with the 70th anniversary banners that are displayed with favorite Disney characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, Pluto, and Chip and Dale. From the moment you step into the Disneyland Hotel, the magic begins. You're greeted with a dark navy blue rug with accents in yellow, teal, copper, and white that lead you into the lobby. You'll hear the classic Disney music playing softly in the background while you make your way to the check-in desk. Look at how many cast members they have. I think I counted like 13. You really have to appreciate the service they provide and how accommodating they are. The hotel is made up of multiple towers with different names and themes. The reception area and lobby is in the Fantasy Tower, and we were assigned a standard room in the Adventure Tower as seen here. The property also has the Frontier Tower, which is adjacent to the newly constructed Disney Vacation Club Tower, which opened towards the end of 2023. The Adventureland lobby is pretty simple with extra seating for hotel guests. Once we made it to our room, you're immediately drawn to the navy blue carpet with fireworks, stars, and hidden Mickeys. Our room was furnished with a sofa bed, so that was a plus for us. We had 2 queen-size beds, a desk, an armoire holding a Keurig machine, and a TV. We especially liked having the option to convert the sofa into a bed, mostly because we weren't sure who was coming and who was going. One of the things these rooms are known for are the light-up castle headboards that play Disney lullabies at night. Our grandkids loved it. You have to appreciate the extra storage underneath the beds and the sizable closet. The bathroom has double sinks, and I love the Mickey Mouse hand sconces on the wall. It has a bathtub for the kiddos, and it has a separate toilet room. Let's talk about the pools. They have 1, 2, 3, and a 4th pool over at the Vacation Club that you can pool hop to. I know one of the biggest perks of staying at this hotel is the short walk to the Disneyland parks and the early access, but the pools here are outstanding. The monorail themed pool is a hit with kids and adults. They have a large slide and a smaller one for the smaller kids. It's great. During our stay, we did decide to reserve a cabana, and the cabana is pretty pricey. I'm going to be honest, we really appreciate having a cabana when we stay at the Disneyland pools, only because it can get pretty crowded. This assures us that we have a designated space that we can go to and rest while we're spending the entire day at the pools. Cost of the cabana was approximately $700 per day, It did come with a safe. They had some games, robes, slippers, complimentary water and towels. This particular cabana was steps away from the monorail pool. The downside to the cabana was that the cushions were heavily used and stained, and I guess that just comes with the use of the pool areas at the Disneyland Hotel. If you decide to pool hop over to the vacation club pool, it's just a short walk over, and in between they actually have a restaurant where you can sit and have lunch or have drinks. They also have a bar area, but it's just a short walk. This pool is really unique. It has this Mickey Mouse steamboat that is just precious. It has a small splash pad that squirts out water. The theme is a black and white, which goes back to the old traditional Mickey themed cartoons. My granddaughters absolutely loved it. It also releases a mist from the top, and the water barrel will spill over. It's really adorable. Here's a quick view of the pool over at the Vacation Club. It's a nice size. They also have a jacuzzi tucked in the corner. And let me tell you, the lifeguards are top notch. They have so many lifeguards out there, and they are pacing, going back and forth, and they are checking the pools constantly. So rest assured, your little kiddos will be safe. Here's a Minnie Mouse themed jacuzzi, and it has plenty of seating all the way around. I believe there are a total of 3, possibly 4 jacuzzis here. And just as a side note, the temperature of the pools are nice and warm. Included with the cabana was a fruit tray, and as an unexpected bonus, we ended up getting complimentary champagne, charcuterie board, and a bread basket. If you're spending the day at Disneyland and you're staying at the hotel, the pools are great. We love coming to this hotel just because of the pools. This concludes our review of the Disneyland Hotel. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.